So, the leaks around the DJI Pocket 4 Pro are getting seriously interesting right now. What originally looked like a small upgrade over the previous Pocket cameras is now starting to feel like a major jump forward. And honestly, after the latest unboxing videos and leaked footage surfaced online, we finally have a much clearer idea of what DJI could be planning here. One of the biggest things people are talking about is the rumored dual camera setup. If the leaks are accurate, this might be the first Pocket camera that gives users multiple real focal lengths inside one tiny device. In the footage, we can see references to 14mm, 23mm, 28mm, and even 70mm views. That's a huge deal for a camera this small. The 14mm view looks extremely wide and is probably achieved using the magnetic wide-angle attachment. Then you have the 23mm and 28mm range, which feels much more natural compared to the super stretched action camera look we usually see. And honestly, this could make everyday vlogging and cinematic shots look way cleaner and more professional. But the really exciting part is the rumored 70mm telephoto camera. That's where footage starts getting that nice cinematic compression. Backgrounds look softer, subjects separate better, and overall shots feel much more premium. For portraits, travel videos, or product shots, this could completely change how people use the Pocket series. Now, the leaks also mention 140mm and even 230mm zoom views. Realistically, fitting true optical zoom like that into a pocket-sized camera would be extremely difficult. So this is most likely a mix of sensor cropping, hybrid zoom, and digital processing. Still, if DJI manages to make it look good, it could be surprisingly useful. Another big rumored upgrade is the sensor itself. Reports suggest dual 1/1.1-inch sensors, which is pretty impressive for something this compact. Bigger sensors usually mean better low-light performance, cleaner footage at night, and improved dynamic range. So bright areas and shadows should both hold more detail. And from the leaked footage and sample images we've seen so far, the image quality actually looks very promising. The footage appears sharper, cleaner, and more cinematic compared to previous Pocket generations. Skin tones seem more natural, highlights look more controlled, and low-light scenes appear noticeably improved. Some of the shared photo samples also show stronger background blur and better subject separation, especially when using the telephoto-style focal lengths. Of course, these are still leaks, so we should take them with a grain of salt, but first impressions definitely look impressive. And then there's video performance. Rumors point towards support for 4K at 240 frames per second, which would allow some incredibly smooth slow-motion footage. DJI is also expected to include advanced color profiles like DLOG, or maybe even something called DLOG 2. That part is still unclear because DJI has never officially used that naming before, so it could either be a brand new profile or just incorrect leak information. The creator combo shown in the leaked unboxing also looked pretty loaded. We got a look at the wireless DJI mic transmitter, mini tripod, threaded grip handle, magnetic clip, fill light attachment, carrying case, and the wide-angle lens. So it definitely feels like DJI wants this to be more than just a casual Pocket camera. And honestly, that seems to be the overall direction here. The Pocket 4 Pro doesn't look like a simple vlogging gadget anymore. DJI appears to be pushing it closer to a serious filmmaking tool while still keeping that tiny pocket-size form factor. Price-wise, leaks suggest the standard model could start around $589, while the Pro version may land somewhere near $700. That's definitely premium territory for a compact camera, but if these features are real, a lot of creators will probably see the value in it. At this point, nothing is officially confirmed yet, but this is easily the clearest look we've had at the DJI Pocket 4 Pro so far. And honestly, if DJI delivers even most of these rumored features, this could end up being one of the most exciting compact cameras of 2026. So, what do you think about the Pocket 4 Pro so far? Would you actually upgrade to this? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more leaks and updates.